General Motors authorities appear to have kicked off 2023 with a surprising revelation: the unveiling of a Chevy electric sedan, which it says is in development. Some rumors say a new Ultium-based EV is still in early development and will likely make its way to the US as a replacement for the Malibu, and we hope that is soon, likely to be in 2024. At first glance, the Malibu news hasn't changed much lately, but the fact is that SUVs and crossovers have boomed over the last decade. Is this Chevrolet's strategy to survive the ferocious development of vehicles from various future technology sectors? We see the hope will be Malibus that Chevy is working on a low-roof EV that will feature sedan-like proportions, according to a report by GM Authority. If work is completed in early 2024, the hope for a mid or early 2025 release is at most. If 2023 is the start of development, our prediction is that the upcoming electric sedan is just entering its final stages. It could be early 2024. Rumors are circulating that the design is quite brutal. We're very excited to offer EVs in the United States very soon. A leak we've received says that its overall shape is similar to the Honda N2 concept revealed for China in November, and that Honda and GM are already collaborating on an electric crossover, with the Chevy Blazer EV and Honda Prologue sharing the same platform. General Motors disclosed the battery technology and the Ultium platform around 2020, then the Ultium Drive branding was implemented 6 months later in September. Many things have been improved in 2021 and 2022. Several vehicles have adopted the Ultimate platform. So far, the vehicle using Ultium, according to the data we quoted from Wikipedia, is the GMC Hummer EV, Bright Drop Zevo 600, Cadillac Lyric Dan 2022 GMC Hummer EV. And you can also see plans for vehicles that will use Ultium. Then does the next-gen 2024 Chevy Malibu use Ultium? If true, the 2024 Chevy Malibu uses platform Ultium, a completely new EV with electric propulsion, simultaneous battery and body design, and good handling to keep the battery and passengers together with the body structure. Offering as much with the Ultium platform as the all-wheel drive in a Chevrolet electric vehicle for the first time, we can explain something unique for you to digest. Take a look at the performance features of the SS trim level. The wide open W mode that allows it to switch from 0 to 60 in less than 4 seconds favors the sporty model. 2024 will be a big change event for car companies around the world. How come? The Ultium platform continues to be built and offers many options for power and range on Ultium platform, including the Blazer EV models.